Welcome to the installation guide for the Arnott Rear Generation 2 air spring, designed for various GM SUVs including Bravada, Envoy, Rainier, Trailblazer, and Saab KC. This video will walk you through the essential steps to ensure a successful installation. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start the installation by setting the steering to straight ahead. Then raise the vehicle and remove the rear wheel. Now locate the air compressor behind the right rear wheel. Remove the two lower mounting bolts from the compressor mounting plate. Lift upward on the compressor assembly and unhook the unit from the frame rail. Next, deflate the rear air spring and pull downward to remove it from the axle. The air spring is held from turning with a plastic clip on the top of the air spring. You may have to hold the plastic clip down while rotating the air spring to free it from the upper spring seat. Now disconnect the airline from the air spring by pressing down on the steel fitting while pulling outward on the airline. Carefully remove the air spring from the vehicle and seal off the airline to prevent any dirt or grease from entering the system. Install the new rear air spring in the reverse order of removal. Tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications to ensure a secure and proper fit. Do not remove the air fitting from the air spring. Doing so may cause damage or void warranty. Remove the white shipping pin from the new air fitting and insert the airline until fully seated. Thank you for following our guide on installing the Arnott Rear Generation 2 air spring for various GM SUVs. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.